this is Bob from Hobby Concepts. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Trumpeter's new HEMTT model. This is the M983A2, but with the M870A1 semi-trailer. Brand new kit. I don't even know if it's out in your hobby shops yet, but it should be soon. It's 22 inches long when it's built, 1/35 scale. I actually have a dual purpose. I will build this kit. It's just gorgeous, and we're going to do an unboxing here in a second. But I got it so I can scale up the trailer to use with my HG Models 1/12 scale HEMTT. So I needed to get the kit so I could use the trailer and here for detailing for the trailer, plus super tape detailing this RC kit. So let's take a look at this plastic model. Another great new kit from Trumpeter. The box art shows the HEMTT vehicle, the semi-trailer, and the armored bulldozer. The armored bulldozer is not included in the kit. The kit features the truck and trailer. And photo etch parts, decals, actually looks like beautiful detailing. So let's take a look inside here. Shows two different painting options, the NATO camouflage and the sand color. And it is kit 01055. Alright, pop the lid off here. Take a look inside. Typical Trumpeter, nicely packaged. There's a color sheet here that shows the rig. Shows some of the scale detailing, including the photo etch parts, the winch. This is a particular item I'm interested in. Trailer. And this is the latest model HEMTT. It's also a sell sheet for some other new kits that are coming out. And here's our packaging with our trees. Good size kit. Here's the 35th scale HEMTT tires, and here's the tires for the trailer. A lot smaller. Uses 3 axles on the trailer, and they give you a spare tire that mounts on the back. HEMTT tree. This is probably from their previously released HEMTT kits. The thing I'm interested in with this kit, of course, is the trailer. Second tree. This features the later model HEMTT with the Caterpillar engine instead of the Detroit diesel. Another HEMTT tree. Oh, this is the trailer. Okay, this is the front gooseneck part for the trailer. The detail tree. Boy, there's a lot of parts. It's another trailer tree. See some of the beams and structure, wheels. HEMTT tree, suspension parts. Another trailer tree, same as that one. I'll pop these open in a minute to get a better look. Also looks like a trailer tree. HEMTT tree, fuel tanks, clear parts. Looks like additional trailer parts. Trailer bed. Slide this open real quick. Oh. Girders. Beautiful detailing here. You can see the wood decking, the smooth decking, the diamond plate decking, sides, some of the detail underneath. This is all new tooling here. These are the side braces for the trailer. Boy, this will do a beautiful wash. Has really nice detailing in here. There's the cab floorboard. Tires and wheels for the HEMTT vehicle. Let's take a look at that real quick. Cab. Looks very nice. Tow cable for the winch. Light lenses. Or photo etched parts. Looks like the intake grill, the decking. These are the braces for the rear of the trailer, the guard for the exhaust, and a decal sheet. Take a look at that too. Oh, taped a piece of paper over it. That's something new. Decal sheet. Oh, high terminal attitude area defense sheet. We'll have to check that out in the instructions. Sell sheet for their tools, and here's our instructions. There's a painting guide. Yeah, I'm going to probably go for this paint scheme. Shows really well the wood decking, the diamond plate areas, the wood decking on the upper part of the gooseneck. This is on the trailer a movable part, kind of like this, so we'll have to check that out. Shows a good variance between the tires, rear suspension, and here's the painting guide for the Euro colors. So it's very nice. And the building guide, divided into two sections. Hammett vehicle and the trailer. Detail guide in the back, detail assembly, and then there's the trailer guide. Lots of bracing in the trailer, and detail guides in the back, including painting suggestions. So all new kit. Should be able to get a 35th scale armored dozer kit to fit on there. I'm going to open a few of these trees and do some close-ups. And here's some better views without the plastic of the trailer trees. You can see the wood decking here, diamond plate decking here. Very nice parts. Some of the trailer bracing. And there's several of these cross beams, wheels. Should build up to be a beautiful kit, plus great flexibility in items that you can throw on this trailer. They carried everything with them. So there you have it. Quick unboxing of the new Trumpeter kit. Appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and watch for a build on this kit. Plus, I'll be building a 12th scale trailer based on what I enlarge here. And those will be two upcoming videos pretty soon. Thanks again for watching.